How to make a public profile on Snapchat. So if you want to make a public profile on Snapchat, then open up your Snapchat application. Once you open, go with the profile, which is on the upper left. Once you're here on the profile now, if you scroll down here, you will have an option of my public profile. So you just need to simply tap on my public profile or create. You might have an option of create public profile. So tap on that option. Here are some steps. First, open up your Snapchat app and then select the profile icon. And you need to select the public profile, as I said. Once you've selected, now here you will have an option of create public profile in this way. So you just need to simply tap on the new option or create public profile option. Once you tap on it, you just need to select get started. You can add collections of your snaps from Spotlight, Snap Map, and Camera Roll to help Snapchatters find out more about you. So simply tap on get started. Once you tap on get started, thoroughly read the disclaimer and press create. Once you tap on create, then your Snapchat public profile will be created. That's it. That's how you can create your public profile on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.